It's the closure. It's the closure. What's up, YouTube? My name is Keandra and welcome to my channel. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe and like button. We about to just jump straight into it. I'm working with Ali Grace hair today off of Amazon. It was a 4x4 lace closure unit. This wig is 16 inches and it's straight, 150% density. It has Swiss lace, and just to let y'all know, this wig is not big hair friendly. I thought I would include that because the cap is a 22 to 22 and a half inches, like in head circumference. So just let y'all know, this will not be big hair friendly. It does come with the 4 combs and the adjustable strap in the back, and there is the 4x4 lace closure. Y'all, it's been a minute since I worked with a lace closure unit, and y'all, this one is it. It's super affordable. It was super soft, and yeah, the only thing I didn't like about it was the ends. Like, some of these wigs that I received from Amazon, it's only been like a few so far. The ends are thin, so just keep that in mind when ordering this wig. But other than that, I really enjoyed this wig. I actually might end up cutting it, since I don't really care for the thin ends. But yeah, as y'all can see, I'm just going in with my hot comb and I'm flattening out the top of this wig. I went over the top of the wig so many times, just because I don't even know what I was thinking. I really didn't start using product till halfway when it came to the top of my head. So yeah, y'all see that, but I'm just kind of going through with no product, just my hot comb that I freaking almost messed up. I was doing my mom's hair and the hot comb was plugged up and it was laying on the end of my blow dryer. So it literally melted half of the piece of the blow dryer off, but it still works. So we still using it and we still finna get it and get these videos popping. So I'm just going in with my razor comb and cutting this off. Now, lace closure wigs are what I started off with, and they are super duper beginner friendly. I definitely recommend 4x4 lace closure wigs to anybody who's just getting into wigs, just getting into installing wigs, because frontals are maintenance. Frontals are maintenance, period. So if you don't want to deal with a 13x6 or 13x4, nothing that's going ear to ear, you can just get you a 4x4 and it'll just focus on, a smaller part of lace that you have to deal with and lay down, and it's just super easy. I'm just going in with a glueless method today. I'm using my Got2b Glue freeze blast spray. I went in with 3 very thin layers of this. As y'all can see, look at my blow dryer, a hot mess, but I'm gonna use it until it breaks. So yeah, so I'm just going in with 3 really thin layers, and I'm blow drying in between each layer, and then I'm just gonna pop the closure right on top of that Got2b Glue and take my rat tail comb and press it in. Y'all, this was it was so simple, so simple. Now, the key to getting your closure to look like a frontal or anything like that, or to get it looking really natural, is the baby hair, in my opinion. You can definitely, don't get me wrong, you can definitely do a closure unit and it look really natural without baby hairs, because some people just don't like them. But when I want to get that frontal look or whatever, I just like doing my baby hairs. So that's what we're gonna do, and you ain't even gonna be able to tell that it's a closure unit for real, because the hair falls over the sides of your face, especially because I'm doing a middle part, and you just really can't see what's going on the sides of your head. This is why it's really good for beginners. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style this wig. I'm not gonna talk too much because well, if you don't know, your girl can talk, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch what I'm doing. I'm just popping in to let y'all know, at first I started off with the Got2b Glue, and then I just said forget that, I want something a little bit stronger today. So I went in with my Glueless knot, and then as I was working and the Glueless knot started to dry up, I went in with some mousse. So I was just all over the place. I kind of used my mousse to like loosen up the baby hairs so they can be easier to maneuver, because if y'all know, Glueless knot is very thick and it dries fairly quickly and sets. So I just went in with a little bit of mousse to loosen them up if I needed to. And I'm going to be doing 3 little baby hairs, and I'm just going to let y'all watch. I'm just cutting them. And I like this look with using the baby hairs like on the very edge of the closure and kind of swooping them to the side. That also can give you that frontal effect. So that's what I'm going to be doing with the one little edge in the middle. And yeah, I'm just going on my tweezer to thin those baby hairs out where I see fit. I don't like super unnatural thick looking baby hairs. So yeah, I'm going to shut up now and let y'all get back to watching what I'm doing. But I just wanted to pop in and say that. Child, and baby hairs take time. Okay, do you hear me? It takes time. But now I've just put as y'all seen, I put the elastic band over my head just to further melt that lace. And while that is melting, I'm gonna go in and do these flat iron curls. Now I don't know if I'm putting it in a title or not, but I was going for a very natural like wave type of look, kind of like an effortless curl, like nothing too tight or crazy, kind of just giving it like a little wave, a little effortless little something. So that's what I was going for in this video, and that is what I think I did okay at achieving or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me curl my hair. So at this point I was ready to take the band off, and as y'all can see, it's pretty laid. Like another thing I will say is that this lace was not like the other lace that I had when I worked with when I collaborated with Allie Grace Hair for that maroon like burgundy bob wig that I had. But nonetheless, it was decent. I mean, like this wig is super affordable, so I'm not complaining. But the lace on that wig was definitely better than the lace on this wig. When you're working with like a thicker, like a little thicker, coarser lace, sometimes it could be like just a tad bit harder to like really melt. The thinner the lace, the better, basically. And I mean, that kind of just self-explanatory. But nonetheless, I still blended it in, and it still looked really good. It wasn't too thick or nothing like that. Like, it wasn't that bad. It was pretty easy to work with. This is a great beginner wig in my opinion, like I said. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and I'm just combing those curls out, because like I said, I wanted like an effortless wave type of look. And y'all, at one point I was not feeling it. That's why I'm looking like how I'm looking. But I was trying to just get a feel. I don't know if it was the ends of the wig. Like I said, the ends are thin on this wig. I don't know if that's what it was. I really don't know what it was, but after I beat my face and recorded another video, I was feeling myself, so that's probably what it was. I don't know. Like I said, I may end up cutting this wig later down the line. But anyways, I went in with my Care wax stick, as y'all seen. And y'all, once you put this wax stick on and use that hot comb when it get real hot, it lays the heck out of your part. Like, I don't care where your part is, it just lays it. I love that hot comb. But as y'all can see, I kind of got these little waves going on, just little effortless little wave look. Y'all, I don't know how I feel about my hair. Like, I like it, but at the same time, from afar, it just looks weird. Like, I don't know. I was going for the effortless wave curl look. But I think once I beat my face and stuff, maybe that would just get a look soon. Y'all like my nails? I did my nails. I didn't record the video. Dre. That laugh. It's the laugh for me. But y'all, did my nails. I didn't do a YouTube video on this set, but I just wanted to practice. But look at that, your girl getting better. She got the flames. Yeah. Look, bro. Listen to what you say. Say hi to YouTube. Excuse me. Listen. I'm putting that in there. No. I mean, they decent. I was going for that effortless, like I said, curl look, waves. I don't know, it's something off. I don't know what it is, but let me just do my makeup. I don't know, I just like how it make me look. Like, I was tripping about my makeup because it's cute. I don't know, I think maybe just the lighting or something. I don't really know, but get into it. Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone when you know. All I ever ask was you show me some love,